magic artist who underwent a public workshop?
May chance. There's a big chance, but we don't promise. Kasi bakit? Like, we will create an artist registry under Star Magic. And then two, lalo na ngayon, in need ang TV production nila Direk Lauren Jogi ng mga mahuhusay na artista na mabilis, na hindi tatanga-tanga. So the workshop is a ground para kumuha sila ng mga artista. So there's a big possibility that they can be handpicked, but we just don't promise. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Down to our last question from Kate Adihar.
Direk, since Star Magic workshops are known for the advantage of ang technique, can you briefly tell us what makes it special and what does Happy Karga mean?
Okay. Alright, sige. Doon muna ako sa, ang maganda yan, kasi we're wearing Happy Karga shirt and some of you were given Happy Karga. Okay, this is my own term. I'm coming, of course, partly, pa-promote ko na rin, I'm coming up with the first acting manual of the Philippines. The title is #Happy Karga, Acting Manual ni Ryan Carlos. Lahat ng natutunan ko at tinuro sa mga artista for the past 20 years, it's anecdotal, it's manual, I will put it there. So it will be under ABS-CBN Publishing. There's none yet na maraming mahusay na artista, nagtuturo, kaya nga lang, wala talaga pang isulat at ilagay sa libro yung mga natutunan nila. Okay, that Happy Karga kasi means, karga means substitution eh. In acting sa Ibarra Chaba, you always personalize things with your objective. Let's say, if my objective as Popoy and Basha in One More Chance or Second Chance is to get you to love me again, para maramdaman mo yun, who in your life do you need to put for you to love again? Let's say it could be your ex, it could be your mom, your dad, na iniwan ka. So that's karga. I term substitution in a Filipino way, karga, para personal. Kaya happy karga means anything. Happy thoughts, happy memories, and so on and so forth. That's happy karga. What's the other question again?
What makes the advantage of
Okay, what's the difference of the Ivana Chaba? Of all the technique that I've done, from being to Meissner to method acting and so on and so forth, of course, we revolutionizes the technique. This is Ivana Chaba, but we blend it in how we do it here in the Philippines, in a Filipino way. But ang difference niya, may pagpapahalaga siya sa script. It will teach you script analysis, and it will teach you how to become a breathing human being, kasi it touches your inner life eh. So kapag Chabak technique, it touches your inner life, meaning you will use your inner life. So lagi ko, ngayon pinag-uusapan lang namin, words can lie, but behavior tells the truth. So yun ang pinapalabas namin sa mga artista namin, na hindi lang yun nagdadaldal ng lines. Kung hindi, it's in the nuances, it's in the behavior. So I think that's the difference between, it's all about being a human being. Para kami mga psychologists, na when we teach you, you will not just become good actors but a better person as well. Bakit? Kasi you face your deep-seated issues in life eventually, and you learn how to face it.
Thank you, Direk. Sorry,
Yeah.
teachers, may pahabol po from Jonathan A.
Hello, people. Direk Ryan, with your kind permission, pwede bang makakumbira yung lahat ng mga facilitators mo dyan sa harapan?
Ano pa?
Kasi lahat ng mga iba pang workshop facilitators, teachers, kasi meron akong, my first and last question is actually a two-hook question.
Yes, pa.
Yung sasabihin ng bawat isang, ganito na lang siguro, isa na lang siguro magsasalita na representative ng bawat isa sa mga putahing. Yeah, so isa lang magsasalita for dance, isa pa sa ano yun, children, magano na. Oo, so sino yung representative ng dance? Kasi ito po yung tanong. Sige ba, bago natin i-camcord, may I ask the fact, parang hindi ako mabulol-bulol. Kasi minsan may ugali ako nabubulol-bulol.
Si Nesh po yung sasagot sa dance.
So with the kind permission of Direk Ryan Carlos, may I ask all the faculty or the pool of workshop specialists to gather together in front or before us, bloggers and press people in here, to answer this two-hook question one by one. Pero hindi na lang one by one kasi masyadong malaki kakainin na bites na pagkakaport. Tawag dito, the two-hook question is, what are the course or workshop highlights or what can the workshoppers expect to achieve or learn from your workshop? Yung tipong ano yung pang-come on ng inyong workshop. So, with your kind permission, Direk Ryan, isang representative spokesperson sa dance, isa sa, ano ba? Isa sa singing, so...
Sige po, si
And
Nesh. Si Nesh po for the dance. Go Nesh.
For dance,
Wait lang, kasi i-compute natin yung pagka-camcord, ha? So, pwede ba meron po kayo magtsikahan? Thank you, Kuya Nestor. Alas ka na ba?
Thank you po.
Love you, Kuya Nes. Okay, and could you please state your name para, syempre, promotional purposes, di ba? For name recall, branding purposes, chuba-chuba, okay?
Si Nesh po.
Okay, so, ulitin ko lang yung question for camcording purposes. Highlights, or what can the workshoppers expect to achieve or learn from your workshop? Please state your name as the workshop specialist. Thank you.
Good afternoon po. My name is Nesh, or Nesh Anyola. I'm one of the teachers for dance. We also have the maneuvers and GJ. We have different courses that we teach, or dance styles as we call it. I teach jazz funk, and jazz funk is, I just like to describe what jazz funk is. It's not entirely jazz po, kung ano po yung akala natin na jazz na linyado. Jazz funk po is yung mga sinasayaw ng mga performers or singers or dancers na mainstream po. Yung mga nakikita natin sa TV, like si Janet Jackson, yung mga gano'n. That jazz funk po sila. So hindi lang po ito nag-cater para sa mga babae lang, kasi parang feeling nila feminine or flowy masyado yung style. It's really for the industry or commercial dancing, industriya ng show business and entertainment po. So yun po yung angkop, jazz funk po ang tawag doon. We have hip-hop or street dance, which is hinahandle po yun ng maneuvers. Si GJ po, we're introducing a new style po ngayon sa Star Magic. It's called Urban. Mas famous po siya and popular sa dance community or sometimes underground community or a competition scenario for dancing po. So pwede po dito, kahit ano po, kahit beginners or may konting experience, welcome po dito. In our classes, we usually do drills, technique, exercises. Sometimes we do across the floor exercises, meaning exercises namin is from one corner of the room to the other, repetition para po makabisado ng katawan paano ginagawa ang iba't ibang moves and steps. Also po, isang pinaka-main ingredient and component po ng isang dance class namin is yung choreography or center exercise, which is they learn choreography and combination na i-perform po nila in preparation for the culminating activity. Also po, highlight din po is possible na makasalamuhan nila ang mga sikat na artista sa workshops. Kasi minsan po ganun yung ginagawa nila direct. Pinaghahalo nila yung mga public workshop goers and ang mga artista magkakasama sa isang learning environment.
Then they will communicate.
Then they will all,
Concert.
concert type po yung showcase namin. It's like a variety show. Medyo ASAP type. Yeah.
thank you.
Sa kids acting.
Kids acting and the melody po. So we have the basic acting for kids ages 6 to 9 years old, and also basic acting for 10 to 12 years old. And then they get to advance to kids acting level 1, acting level 1, advanced acting level 1. And then after that, if they passed it, they go to advanced level 2. Now for kids acting, you usually would have voice projection, and then movements, the basic movements, body movements, and of course spontaneous improvisations, and of course we have scene studies. And of course their communication skills are also enhanced when they do improvisations. when they have to react to certain situations, and they have to be with their co-participants and how to deal with them as well. So basically, when they finish the basic acting, they go to the advanced level, and we give them a more or less more difficult situations to tackle, and more complicated characters to give life to. This is for the kids acting basic, and then for the advanced levels 1 and 2.
Sorry, but I just forgot to add something. We don't just teach them yung skill and yung steps and choreography. Parang partly po kasi ng mga tinuturo, it's hindi lang namin describe, but it's also partly of personality development training. May disiplina po, ganun. Para they earn the confidence that they need para ma-perform po nila ng maganda yung choreography po na inaral nila.
Yeah, that's it. So it's not just the skills, no, the acting skills that we're after. We're more after how they form to be being a social being, and how they could react and care and give concern to their fellow participants as well. So hindi lang yung kakayahan, kung hindi pati na yung karakter ng tao. Pinatouch namin doon yung pagkatao ng bata. As young as they are, we teach them that. No?
Yeah. Okay, hi. I'm Luningning San Jose, one of the 3 teachers in voice and singing, and teacher Julian Pomanis Reyes is with me. Our other male teacher, teacher Raymond Roldan, is not here with us now. So singing po, we go through the basics, like we teach them how to breathe properly for singing, vocalizations. We do physical exercises para malaman nila na when you sing, it's a physical activity. Dapat ready ang body. So it's not just dance na nag-warm up. It's not just the acting also that's doing the warm up. And then in terms of, sa ngayon, meron kaming division of age. So like 6 to 9 and 10 to, But at the same time, meron din po kaming basic workshop for the beginners, and we have also the advanced. Ang goal ng singing workshops is basically matuto yung mga bata kumanta ng maayos, ng tama ang technique. And as they go on from the basic, magpo-progress sila to our advanced workshop. In the advanced workshop, we give them definitely more challenging songs. And eventually, we would like to push them to become performers, professional performers, join competitions. We already have students who participate at TNT, musicals. So, progressive para sa amin sa singing ang aming workshop. You know po.
Sa akin na lang po yung sa acting. Sa acting po, as head of the training department, we have 4 levels of the workshop. Introductory level, where kahit sino pa pwede mag-enroll, kahit walang alam, professionals or non-professionals, or even professionals, I usually tell them to enroll the introductory acting kasi why? Ito po yung foundations. Ilalay namin yung foundations, yung discipline, and so on and so forth. And then, kapag in-assess na po namin at nakapasa ng advanced class, then we will challenge them with difficult scenes, and then like genres where how to create fear kapag you're in the genre of horror, and so on and so forth. And then pag halimbawang nakapasa sa master class, well and good. Kapag hindi nakapasa sa master class, we put them in the advanced level 2, where there's a thin line between going to the master class na lang. It's a matter of enhancing their skill before they go master class. Kasi master class, it's the cream of the crop. Meaning, either you're a working actor already, you're a lead actor, or you came from the ranks. Like, kunyari, si Christian, kahit na ever since, matagal na rin siyang nasa master class bago siya sumikat. Kasi, in-earn niya yun from introductory, advanced, and hanggang sa master class. And when you're in the master class, you need to earn your stay there. Minsan may mga times na if I feel that I need to put you back in advanced level 2 kasi you need to hone some, ano yung kailangan i-hone? Like halimbawa, nagiging boring na yung mga choices mo, etc. In acting, when I say choices, those are nuances. Those are creative things na hindi na dapat tinuturo sa'yo. And so on and so forth. So yun po yung levels namin. And doon sa levels na yun, top love kami. Walang artista, walang manager, walang nakakahigit na executive. If we feel that you're in this level, dito ka lang level. Kasi napaka-importante rin sa lahat, nade-develop namin yung discipline at right attitude. Simple lang po, Japanese and American time kami sa workshop namin. We're not Filipino time. If you're late, 1 minute, wait to be seated outside. Madalas napapatawag po ako sa taas kapag minsan hindi ko talaga pinapapasok ang artista just to give it, to stress a point where paano na pagdating sa set niyan? Di lalong tatalakan niya ng director kung late yan. So doon pa lang po, sinosolve na namin yung but more than anything, it's what to expect from acting. It's to produce a breathing human being as actors. And paano namin yung papalabasin sa kanila na wala yung tension, na parang hindi sila umaarte, parang totoo. That's what we do in the acting part.
Thank you so much, Jonathan.